morning, guys. So today is June 6 and 6:06 a.m. So today is my bias birthday from NCT, which is Hechan, and I'm going to have a mini celebration today because, as he said, that we should be happier than him on his birthday. So I prepared a blue outfit today. It has a purpose why it's blue. And of course, we must not forget the photo cards. But before going, I made some French toast for my breakfast. Now it's time to do my makeup and make sure that I look presentable, since I have to commute to my destination. It's quite far, and also I have to go to school after that. Now I'm putting some of my jewelries and accessories and a little touch-ups here and there. So from here on, I'm going to do my makeup and remove the towel from my hair so it can dry before going out. And I'm going to do my eyebrows first. I'm really not good at doing my eyebrows, but it's okay. So it's not that really noticeable because I don't want to look very mad when I look at other people. So I just make it very subtle. So yeah, I'm doing it, trying to make it look perfect, but it's really not that good yet. So last part of my makeup routine is my lip balm, and I really love this EB lip balm. It's moisturizing and the tint is very good, and I picked the right color for myself since I have a warm tone. So yeah, now this is my full look or outfit. My hair is supposed to be down, but I have to commute, so I put it up first in a bun. So I have to go. Bye. So walking to the waiting shed, and I have to walk there. Now I'm waiting for the jeep to District Imus, and when I got to District Imus, I rode a cab to SM Malinaw. So when I got there, I'm trying to find the photowism booth. So I look around first, but got distracted and see this little cute Marie, what do you call this? A mystery box. And I wanted to buy something as a memorabilia for Hechan's birthday. And look at this pig dressed in a dinosaur suit. It's so cute. I wanted to buy it, but it's expensive, not on my budget. So I also look for books, but the books are not it's not to my liking. So now I found a photovism. So there is no people there yet, so I'm quite shy to go, but I eventually did it. So you can see there the price, and the one who is staying in the front desk, it helped me how to do this stuff because it's my first time. So as you can notice, I did Hechan's photoism and he's wearing blue. That's the reason why I am also wearing blue, so we can have a couple picture. So I'm paying 300 pesos. So the last day photowism booth with NCT Dream was on June 30, 2024. So yeah, I'm paying 300 pesos here. And I'm making sure that I look presentable before taking the photo. This is around 8 photos only. So I grabbed that clicker because I thought that I have to click it before taking the photo, but it can handle itself. It has a timer, so you just have to pose, do everything you can, make sure that you look perfect or anything, or if you have a list of poses that you need, you should take that in mind, because I have here somewhere that I really love the pose, but I wasn't able to click it before printing the photo card, since it's not a photo card, before printing the photo strip, because it also have a time. So I was really confused which photo to click. But yeah, that photo, I love that, but wasn't able to put it on the photo strip or click it. So that's quite sad. But I did a lot of queuing here because NCT Dream is known for their queue poses. So I also did that. See, I'm queuing here. It's funny, but my love for NCT Dream is showing here. So yeah, finishing some few shots here, making sure that we look good together. I was really happy during this time. So yeah, I think it's almost done, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let's just wait for a moment. I just wanted to keep this memory. So done. So I'm picking here the wait. Now I'm going to pick the photos. So you have 8 photos. I'm not sure how many seconds was there each photo, but yeah, you can't save the other photos that you took, but gladly I have a video copy. This is the photo that I like but wasn't able to put it. So now the photo is printed, and now look at, see, it's so pretty. I love it, the color blue, and I love how the person who is taking care of that booth is made me go to the gray background, because if I'm on that blue background, that will be so bad. So here it's so pretty. I love it. So now I'm that's a very short clip, but anyways, I'm walking to grab a lunch, and I ordered an ube royale cake because I have a purple Hechan photo card, and a creamy, wait, what did I order? Creamy pesto and mushroom pasta. It's quite good. So yeah, I had my receipt and find a chair. See, that's the photo card that I'm talking. That's why I ordered this ube royale cake, and just because I like to eat a creamy pesto and mushroom pasta. So yeah, cutie Hachan. Now watch me eat this cake. This is quite long, so I'm just going to have a review of that cake. So the icing and that chocolate something on the end of the cake is actually good, but the chocolate end was really sweet. It's better to eat it with the cake than making it last. You know what I mean? And the bread is a bit dry and crumbly, but for the price, I'm really not sure, but it's okay. Not bad, but it's not good. It can be better. So yeah, almost done eating cake. Now it's time to go to school. But when I got home, luckily it's a 6:06 time. And this is the video, so you can scan it to the QR code. So yeah, thanks. That's all. Bye.